I wanted to see if this AWI rifle case on this box behind me could work for this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am standing next to this box, just got delivered here. It's this AWI rifle case. Picked it up on Amazon because it was pretty big. Now, I am not going to use it for rifles. What I have in my hand right here is actually a 48-inch floor standing retractable banner that you use for trade shows. And because I have to carry a few of these around sometimes when I go to trade shows, I thought, well, man, it'd be nice to have a case where I can put them all in, check them in the airport, have them protected, know where everything is. So I thought I'd see if I could get 3 of them in this case. Let's try it out. All right, I got the case out here, and I noticed it's got a sticker on the side there, kind of peels right off. It says made in China. So now I've learned that a case of this size, under 200 bucks, you know, versus kind of the bigger brands that are going to be in the $400, $500, $600 range. Well, that's probably one of the big reasons. Now, I've actually busted out my retractable floor stand, and I did that because I just wanted to eyeball whether it would fit in there, and it looks like it's going to. Because honestly, at first glance, I was like, is this going to be big enough for 3 of these? But I think it'll be no problem. So if we get up on this, I want to show you what really attracted me to this. First of all, we kind of get this almost like cryptech type of indentations here. So it's actually pretty flat. A lot of these will have kind of raised reinforcement pieces, kind of like the Pelican cases, but this is actually pretty flat. So there's not a lot of stuff that can catch here. These little raised edges here where you have the latches, you can see we have those little triangles. So these flip up. You can see they're pretty decent, robust plastic. You can snap it back down there, you know, kind of your standard snaps. You know, this will probably wear a little bit over time. We have some holes here so that you can lock it, be compliant when you are traveling if you are using this for rifles. And then you can see we have these big, you know, I think they're like polyester wheels. They're actually very quiet, which is nice. So the ball bearings are, whatever they're rolling on, are virtually silent. I like how they're kind of flush there too, so they're not sticking out, kind of like wobbly wheels that stick out from your roller bags or something like that, but they're kind of integrated. So at the other end, we would expect to have a handle so that you could drag it behind you, and we have that right here. And you can see it's pretty big with little holes there, but man, that's pretty robust. So you have a pretty big handle there. Looks like on the front here, you also have an air release. So if you do have air buildup in there, you can let that out. I'm going to unlock the rest of the latches here. And then let's just see if we can open this guy up. I will say there are a lot of latches, 1 on the top and the bottom, but then we have 5 going across the front right here, and then the same handle right here on the side if you want to carry it like a briefcase. But now if I just go ahead and open this up, and there are some handles, indentations right there to make it a little easier. And then what you can see, we have kind of that egg crate foam up here. So we get that up at the top, and then we have the cutaway pluck foam down here. We also have 2 little 3-digit combination locks here, so you could lock this up, like I said, be compliant there. Some instructions on how to use it. So we have some pretty big foam here, and looks like it's about 1.5 inches thick. And then another piece, pluck away foam here, and then kind of like a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch thin piece there. So what I'll actually probably do is just remove one of these inner foam pieces and put my stands in here, because then between the foam up here at the top and this foam, it'll kind of sandwich it together. But I'm actually pretty impressed with this. If you were going to carry something, you know, heading out on a outdoor trip and taking your gear and your hunting gear with you, I think this would be a pretty nice way to travel. The ease of picking this up by the handle here and then dragging it along with you, I think, is superior than having to carry it, especially if you're carrying something pretty heavy, you know, like my Barrett 50 cal. So if you want to pick up a fairly inexpensive case like this that is pretty big, like I said, 53 inches long, with plenty of space inside for all of your goodies, including king-size candy bars, I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.